Assalamu alaikum. Khalid here from Pakistan. I teach Islamiyat, economics, sociology, and business law to O level, NRN, A level, and IGCSE levels. The age group is 13 to 18 years. My students. I have been teaching since 1999, so 57 batches have passed out with 79% of A and A stars. And Alhamdulillah, this is a valuable addition and a result in imparting education to Cambridge. During this tenure, I have been associated with many institutions like Beacon House City, Karachi Grammar, Iqra University, CBM, and now I am serving for Roots International and Paktuk Marif. I love teaching and I love learning. So that's why I did my master's in economics, master's in Islamiyat, and bachelor's in education, bachelor's in legislative laws, and CIPSE, that is known as Certificate in Professional Studies in Education, and that is from Bradford, UK. As I said, I love teaching, and I'll be waiting for uh, your seat confirmation, and we will have a meet and greet session that will be known as trial session also. So stay blessed, book your seat as quick as possible at your earliest. Till then, Allah Hafiz.